donate money to charitable foundations, organizations. Oh, there are not so many of you, so I hope that today my information will be helpful for you. I hope that you heard news about one of the biggest charitable foundations, organization, is Asarumia Foundation. And this foundation helps to people buy houses, people in need, and everything was great until the day that when they've posted financial report on Instagram. And the thing is that in their financial report on Instagram post, their expenses and incomes didn't match. And the second thing is that they've posted it just as an image, like as a post. Have you ever heard that it's possible to put all financial reports just in a post, just as an image or video? So the next shocking news about charitable organizations is that one of the is about the stolen $3 million by the founder of charitable organization called Bezbergemes. And unfortunately, if you remember, last spring was very tragic for our country, and especially for West Kazakhstan people because of floods. And there were many people who needed help, and they left their home. And this organization wanted to help people, but in fact we can know the result of it. And $3 million is 1.5 billion tenge. And also the founder of this organization has stolen 200 million tenge from raised money for people in Palestine. And there is a question now: how can we choose the right organization? How can we help people? The first thing is that you need to verify legal organizations. You need to be sure. You need to be sure is this organization registered officially, or does it work legally? And the next one is that you need to do is review transparency. You need to check for reports every year, financial reports from website of these organizations. In Kazakhstan, every foundation has to share with their reports on their websites or on their social networks and etc. And the second thing is that you need to assess the reputation of the foundations. You need to check online reviews, you need to check their achievements, and the first thing is understand their mission and understand if their goals align with your values. So I created that checklist by myself, and now I want to share with you the list of my top 3 charitable organizations. So the first one is Teplo Charity. I'm sure that each of us has a lot of clothes that we don't need anymore and that we don't wear. And you can help people who need clothes by giving to this charity. And they report every month about their numbers. And the next one is Qazaq Foundation. This foundation has 3 main programs, and the first one is helping to pupils who wants to enter universities. And I was that pupil who won a scholarship from this foundation and studied my second degree, and I have nowadays my second diploma thanks to this Qazaq Foundation. And also, you can see that they report every year. They upload their financial reports on their websites. And the next one is Dara Charity. Is also the best charity for me because they help to children who need a life mentor. And also the next program is for children, like inclusive education for children. So I want to conclude my words, my speech by words. If you want to feel real joy, help someone in need, because by helping others, you help yourself. Let's help each other. Thank you so much.